Today we're going to go over how to create a simple pattern on a curved surface or a cylinder. So we're going to start by coming down and selecting our cylinder tool. We'll place it on the XY axis. Start at the center point here. Let's enter 50 for our radius, and then we'll make this 60 millimeters high. Let's go back over and select the coil tool. And again, we're going to select the XY axis, start at the center, going to enter the same radius that we entered for our cylinder. And for the height, we're going to set it to the height that we entered, which was 60. We're going to change our section size to 1 millimeter. Make sure that this is set to cut, and we'll hit OK. We end up with a nice cut along the side of the cylinder. Now we're going to mirror that cut that we just made. So we'll select mirror. Make sure in the objects drop down, the object type drop down, make sure that you've got feature selected. It defaults to body, so make sure that you switch that to feature. And then come down, select the coil. For the mirror plane, you can select either your Y or your X axis, and that'll create a duplicate of the cut that we just created. Hit OK. And then we're going to come up and select our pattern, our circular pattern tool. Again, make sure that you've got the object type set to feature. And then you can select your coil and the mirror. And then for the axis, we're going to select the Z axis. And I've already got it defaulted to 40, but you can adjust that depending on how many repetitions you want. You can reduce it and you'll end up with larger sections, or you can increase it and you'll end up with a tighter textured pattern there. Hit OK. Can take a few seconds to compute depending on the power of your computer or laptop. And then you've got a nice texture.